Today we have the 2019 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just over 72,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right we have cruise control, voice control and our automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, audio and our 360 degrees camera. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.